Okay, so every once in a while I buy an old thing just for the simple nostalgia and its cheap kind of purpose. This was $20 at a thrift store. It's an old Micron laptop. This thing is so old that it has a floppy drive in it right here, and the DVD, yes, DVD, 1X DVD optical drive. The light is actually covered by the thick-ass front bracket, which is great, because you can't see if it's doing anything. It has one USB port, and it has the PCMA little card slot there. So, I put Windows XP in it, simply because Windows Millennium sucks ass. I swear to God, that thing has hidden settings for when it's going to crash. Crash every 5 files. Crash every 3 minutes. Crash every time you run Windows Update. I hate Windows Millennium. It's a problem child on crack. Okay, a nice thick screen. I'm going to boot it up right here, and we're just going to run through, and you're going to see this delightfully wonderful computer technology run. Make the light not so bright in here so you can kind of see what's going on. This screen is really thick. I mean, it's unbelievably thick, which is great if you don't want your laptop to all of a sudden break, or you're going to war in Iraq and you need a reliable computer that will put up with all the bullshit. You can give it. Windows XP loads actually rather quickly on this machine. You can see how long it's been since I've been talking, and how fast it loads on here. I have a 300 megahertz processor, 333 megahertz processor, regular Intel Penny, and 128 megabytes of RAM. I think it's PC 100. Not sure if it's standard speed because laptop memory or not. It also has a fucked up screen, as you can kind of see. Sometimes it does this, sometimes it doesn't, which makes it funny because it's like a whole, that's the fastest refresh rate you're going to see on anything is the screen fucking up, because that's how old this thing is. It has an ATI Rage, I don't know, an ATI 3D Rage Ultra something. I forgot the exact, thank you Windows for interrupting me. I forgot the exact adapter name, but let's see what it is. I'll tell you what it is in a moment. I'll also give you the system's properties, and you'll be able to see a little bit more of what it has in it. And my cat's up here stalking me. No, go away, I'm doing a video. No. Don't give me that look. Sorry. 366 megahertz, 128 megabytes of RAM, and the graphics adapter is, let's see, settings. So I mean, it goes pretty fast for it being this old adapter. ATI 3D Rage LT Pro ATP 2X, 8 megabytes of memory, and this thing is slower than dirt. I can run a Gameboy Advanced emulator on here. I should have everything for it, and I'll show you just how crappily it runs, and it's really hilarious. I mean, but it opens up windows and stuff pretty quickly, which is kind of nice, because you forget you're on a machine that's only 0.3 gigahertz. Oh my god, thing's so old school, it's not even funny. It has a little fan like this in it for cooling down the processor. So I mean, I thought that was great. I don't even think it needs the fan, to be honest. But I don't know if I have any games. Where's my portable drive? Yeah, I'm in it. Okay. Nope, that's not what I want. There we go. Oh no. Let's see, and thing doesn't like to get off the scroll either, which kind of makes it annoying, I tell ya. Super Mario Brothers Deluxe, Super Mario World, Super Mario Advance. Actually, no. Let's go with Super Mario World. And you'll see Visual Boy Advance Emulator up in the corner. It'll eventually load right there. At 73 frames per second. Or not frames per second, 73% rendering. So it still goes pretty damn slow. And I don't know. I don't have the sound on because the sound is really bad. That says it's on. What the hell? Oh, I know. There we go. 90% running. You make a big screen, and you got a problem, eh? Oh, come on. It's so old, it's not even funny. For other Visual Boy applications like running Super Mario Deluxe, I'm sure it'll be fine if you want to play old school Nintendo with you on something that weighs about as much as a school bus does. Oh, nope, even 75% with this. It doesn't read DVDs worth a damn because the optical drive is just so damn old it only reads DVD or CDs. But it can play movies and stuff pretty well. I'll show you. Let's see, what do I want to open up? Let's see if I can. I'll open up this Bones. And now we're loading Windows Media Player and waiting. My favorite thing to do is fucking wait. Sound, where's the video? There you go. Look at how hard this screen is, man. That's funny. Here's your video. Nope. Forget about that.
This board is broken.
It's a little delayed, but yeah.
Did anybody need the flight from Guatemala?
Nope.
Avianca Airlines? What gate?
So it's not so bad. When you go and try and run a DVD.
I have a computer glitch at the arrivals board.
Yeah.
Hello? Sir, excuse me.
Takes forever. Yeah. Well, this is a really old laptop. And as I said, the battery, they don't hold a charge, so you can turn it off rather quickly. There you go. That's my review on this old ass laptop.